Another tip from Sam Owens here. You're going to like this. On Snazzy 1, I had insulated the cup holders, both of them, from underneath. I wrapped foam around them and tie wraps, and it worked great to keep the drinks cool. Now, I found out that you can actually pop the cup holders out right here and pop them both out, and then with the way I'm going to show you, use coolie cups to insert around the cup holder, and it will keep your drink cooler, and you don't have to go up underneath. So this is an easy way of insulating your cup holders. Okay, these are the two cup holders that fit in here. They pry up easily with a flat tip screwdriver. Be careful not to mess that up when you do. Once you get them out, we're going to insulate them. Now I've got a thick huggy that I'm going to put in the front. And the reason I'm going to put it in there is there is a bar that goes directly underneath that this thing can sit on, and then you can push this into it from the top, because you can't put this on and then stick it through the hole. And then on the back one, which is going to be behind that, I have a thinner huggy that I can slip over this thing, because there's no bar across to hold it. So I'll simply put that on, and then I will put it back there. It's still going to give some insulation, and the front will add a little insulation. So it's the best I can do with the easiest way of doing it. This might inspire you to come up with a little something different. You could go up underneath and possibly get one of these up on there, on the back one, and we'll see how this works. So let's try it. I'm going to put the thick huggy right down in there, kind of up underneath, and then I'm going to lubricate this because I think it's too dry. I'm going to put a little Vaseline or something that will allow it to slip in there a little easier. So let me go do that.